why am I getting the hate? Like, what did I do wrong? I don't... Now being rude first, okay? I'll check the comments. This girl said why, and I was like, because I'm not a fan of Taylor Swift, and I'm not like the other girls. Okay, so don't listen to her. If you don't like my comment, just don't comment at all. And if you want to comment something mean, don't comment either. Stop commenting if you don't like me, then. I got problems with my throat, so leave me alone. Only if you stop being rude. I'm not being mean, okay? So just stop it. Those made my heart so bloody broken. Like, why? Why? Oh my gosh, I got tears in my eyes. Why? Oh my gosh. Why am I getting that? When I was younger, I used to be slapped on my bum for not going to sleep. I was only 5. And my sister Hannah has doing a lot of stuff to me and my family. Like running away, kicking stuff, throwing stuff, breaking stuff, cutting stuff. It made me have a lot of heart attacks. Panic attacks. And I'm sick. So, why do they hate me? Like, I did nothing wrong. Like if you're sick and tired of, like, I'm sick and tired of the hate. I get bullied at school for stuff. Like, I didn't even do anything. I'm losing friends like Tomiyuka. And, yeah, I haven't even been able to sleep because of my throat. And my eyes, because my eyes have been getting blurry at night time. So, bye.